mga pinalit niya are good things. I'd say good things because right now, I'm rediscovering my identity. I'm rediscovering who I am. And I'm rediscovering my voice. Also, another thing I forgot to actually mention is that now during those time that the family drama is happening, parang everyone urges us not to, parang wag magsalita, wag nang patulan, wag nang, alam mo yun, wag nang palakihin pa, blah, blah, blah. Parang they tried so hard to silence me, to silence us, to silence my mom. But alam mo yun, yung resistance na parang sabi ko, no. Parang bakit kami ang magiging silent? Ano, siniswerte, gagawa-gawa, tatarayan nila kami ng ganyan. Tapos sila pa yung, alam mo yung, kami pa yung mahihiya pagkatapos nila kaming, ah, pagkatapos nila maging mean sa amin. So, alam mo yun. So, I had to speak up. And that's another thing na I've been working on. And also another reason why this channel is alive and this portion, the Walk Talks is alive, is because of that. I wanted to reintroduce myself with talking. I wanted to reintroduce myself with my own voice. Kasi nga dati, wala na eh, nawala na. Kumbaga parang, I don't have a voice anymore. I just exist. I don't talk anymore. Kumbaga parang, I talk kwento-kwento, I talk gibberish. Parang I don't have a voice anymore. But then, through walking, I rediscovered that I have a message to say. I rediscovered that God is trying to use me as an instrument to send a message of relaxation, a message of calm. The universe is actually guiding me through this. So yun, ah, yun, walking is really powerful. Alam mo yun, I used to run before. I used to run, um, but I couldn't yet because my body weight is too much for my legs to handle. Kaya medyo nagpapababa pa tayo ng timbang para siguro next year, mid of next year, makapag-running era na tayo. Pero for now, walking era muna tayo. Let's take it slow. And to those like me na nanonood sa akin ngayon, na parang nawawalan na ng pag-asa kasi sobrang laki na, alam mo yun, huwag kang mag-alala. Kasi ngayon, malaki pa rin naman ako, hindi pa rin ako ganun kapayat, hindi ko pa rin na-achieve yung body goals natin. Pero, I'm almost there. I am progressing day by day. And that's the most important thing. So, ayun, don't pressure yourself. Huwag mo masyadong i-pressure yung sarili mo. And nasabi ko din to sa isang video ko na isa rin sa reason kung bakit mas gusto kong maglakad kaysa tumakbo is because, and mag-gym, is because pag naglalakad ka, you're introducing your body to physical activity and you're not really exerting so much effort. And also, you're not really, hindi mo pinapagod ng sobra yung sarili mo. Kasi with other types of exercises, I've done it before as well, na parang nag-high intensity interval training ako dito sa bahay. Pag minsan gusto kong pumunta ng gym, pero wala nga gym dito malapit sa amin. Parang, pagpunta ka kasi sa gym, I tried, I guess, one time. I wanted to go. Pero alam mo yung, hindi ko magawa simply because nahihiya ako kasi ng taba ko, ang laki ko. Alam mo yung parang nakakahiya, parang ganyan. So there's that stigma, there's that parang internalized na fear, internalized phobia na hindi ka naman, gagawin mo pa yan, hindi ka naman papayat. Diba? Para, ano, para saan pa naglalakad ka, hindi ka naman pumapayat. Lagi nila sinasabi sa akin yan. I mean, people around me always keep saying that. Pero sabi ko nga, it's not about losing the weight fast. It's about building habits. It's about shifting your mind that you can do something consistently. And it starts with that. So, kung hirap kayo magpapayat, kung hirap kayong i-maintain yung exercise ninyo, kasi yun yung pinaka-struggle ko yung pag-maintain ng exercise. And once you don't maintain your exercise, kagaya nun, I used to run, and I used to be really fit and thin. Pero ayun, parang since hindi ko siya na-maintain kasi nga nakakapagod yung pagtakbo, ending, lumaki tayo lalo. So, itong walking, yung trend nung bigat ko, pababa naman siya. Sabi ko nga, small little progress is going to compound at the end of the day. So, that's better. It's more sustainable to do walking than to do running. That's what I realized as well through my walking. And walking is less maintenance rather than running. So, ayun, if you're trying to start your weight loss journey, especially now, end of December, marami na naman magkakaroon ng, alam mo yun, New Year's resolution. Everyone is always going to be rushing back to the gym, may bagong resolution na naman, magpapapayat na naman tayo. Why not start with walking? Start with walking, walk at least 30 minutes. You'll thank me later. Try walking just for 30 minutes. You know, um, kung wala kang mapaglakaran sa inyo, or wala kang space to parang maglakad, merong mga murang mga treadmill. May treadmill ako nabili dito na parang I think 4,000 pesos lang. Parang ganyan, mga mura-mura lang. So, ayun. Kung hindi naman kayang bumili ng treadmill, kung hindi kaya ipilit yung 4K, kaya lang, huwag mong i-pressure yung sarili mo. Just go out and walk. Kung mag-grocery ka, ganyan. Kung you walk 30 minutes instead na you rush through doon sa item na bibilihin mo, umikot ka doon sa grocery. 'Di ba? Do the time, be intentional about it. Sabi nga nila, it's always about being intentional. So, ayun. I know na looking at me right now, malayo pa ako doon sa goal natin. Pero, malayo na ako doon sa starting point ko. So, siguro magre-reference lang ako ng picture ko dito para at least makita nyo rin yung changes. May makikita ko na rin changes somehow from what I used to look like to what I look like now. So, I guess, yun yung phase 1, ito phase 2. Maraming phases. Phase Phase. So, phase 3 naman tayo siguro next year. Yun na yung talagang ipupush ko na yung sarili ko to really go for it and go for the jugular this time. Parang, let's get that goal. Parang ganyan. Yeah. Also, walking, since madali lang nga siyang gawin, alam mo yun, hindi ka mahihirapan. Hindi ka pagod. You still have energy to do your daily routine. Unlike dun sa iba, syempre pagka bago ka pa lang sa pag-gym or bago ka pa lang sa pagtakbo, sometimes your body needs to adjust and sometimes masyashock yung katawan mo to a point na alam mo yun, hindi ka makakilos. Because that happened to me. But with walking, kahit nagawin ko siya araw-araw, kahit I walk 6 kilometers on a daily basis, tomorrow I can still walk 6 kilometers more and walk another 6 kilometers. So ayun, yung parang ganun, it's easy to maintain and it's easy to become a habit because it's not that hard to do and it's not taxing. Wala siya gaano recovery unlike with other type of exercises. And that's why I guess walking should be another era, not just running. Yeah. And just to close this video, I just wanted to kind of impart that sometimes with everything that we do and with everything that I do, walking actually made me realize that I'm strong, that whatever hardship ang iba to sa akin ng universe, kaya ko. And patuloy akong lalaban. And that sometimes the darkest season in your life actually can lead you to enlightenment. And sometimes when people try their hardest to silence you, That's when you rediscover your own voice. That's when you speak. That's when you share that message. And that sometimes simple walks that, like what I do on a daily basis, can give you the greatest purpose of your life. And I'm living it right now. I'm living that purpose of sharing this message, this story to all of you guys, to all of you watching. And detaching from anything, from doom scrolling, from social media, from the box of social media, is not a weakness. I know that consuming on social media could make you feel that you've achieved something, but in reality you haven't. So it's still always important that we identify those distractions and we remove them intentionally from our daily routines, because health is wealth, and sometimes removing those distractions are necessary. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you learned something from this. And to all of you guys watching who are going through it, who are wanting to lose weight, who are, looking for that calm, you can watch my ASMR videos if you don't want to see my face, if you don't want to hear me talking. There are intentional videos that I've created that makes you feel that you're walking alone. And sometimes I pop in on the video just to make you feel that you're not alone, that you're walking with someone. So yeah, I hope that this channel gives you that calm, that peace. And you could also use the videos, the ASMR videos, for your exercises. There are 22-minute long exercises. You could use those as your virtual um, background, or your virtual, what's this? Tawag doon. Yung virtual screen mo while you're walking, para at least if you're walking on a treadmill, hindi siya parang, hindi ka mabore. So it's beach, it's sunset, it's calming, it's golden hour, you know, you might love it. So yes. And if you want to know what to bring on your walk, I'll link the video here. If you want to know, um, I guess we've touched about the benefits of the walks here, but I also link that video here. So thank you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I know this video is long, but it's a story that I needed to tell, and it's a story that I wanted to share. Wanted to get it out of the way, you know. Yeah. So thank you guys. Thank you for listening in to me. And I hope that you learned something. I hope that you guys are getting what you need from the video and getting what you need from the message. All right. Again, this is Steven, and this is One Walk at a Time.